Hello, my name is Brian Valadares, and I've been asked to do a testimonial about my experience with Emerald Sun Energy. I actually have it in two of my properties, and I also convinced my mom to go ahead and go solar. Let's start off with my first property and how I started. When I first bought my first house, it was back in 2019. I was interested in going solar. I actually interviewed a few companies. Out of the 6 companies that I interviewed, Emerald Sun Energy, they literally stand out. I spoke to Anthony, which is the owner. He made me feel comfortable about the purchase. He made me feel comfortable about the production and about the system and the value I was getting for my money. So I went ahead and got the system. It's been a few years, haven't had any issues. I've actually, I would say maybe out of all those years, I've probably paid 2 months, and that was because I have an electric car. But other than that, all my bills have been zero, only the $32 from the electric company. Back in 2022, I bought my second property, and it was no brainer. I went ahead and got solar for it, especially, because I have an electric car. I haven't had any issues. If I ever had to call them for anything, they answer right away. And yeah, very reliable, very trusted company. That's why I actually went ahead and told my mom about it. She also got a system. She also doesn't pay electricity. And nothing. I think if I had to give you a recommendation, is do your research before you go solar. Emerald Energy, Sun Energy is literally, at least for me, has been the best choice. And nothing but good things. I truly recommend them. Thank you.